Hey everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres. So we finally got a nice day and I am going to get some stuff done out in the garden. Just some odd stuff that's been bugging me. So let's get going. Jack has been not following the rules lately. He has forgotten that this is a garden bed. This garden bed has garlic in it. And the other day I actually called him digging a hole in it. No. Well, it's not perfect, but that's some progress made. Hope you found this sort of interesting. We've just been unable to work outside most of the time for the last couple of months, trying to decide if it was a coyote out there too. I don't leave the critters out at all when there's coyotes running. Anyway, so be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I'll be doing lots more. Now, you'll notice that when I dug up the last bed, that had been tomatoes mostly. There were a few other odd bits and pieces and stuff in there. There were some pole beans at the end of the row, or bed rather, and there were some herbs in there. But most of that was tomatoes, and I just plain ripped up all of the roots. In this case, this was a bush bean bed. And I have a couple things going on here. I try and leave the bush bean roots in place as long as I can, so I didn't try and get those up, because my theory is if they've collected any nitrogen in their roots, better for them to just allow the roots to go back to the soil. Also, I have to decide if I'm going to rebuild this bed this year. This wall here had been undermined and has caved a little bit, so I have to decide whether I'm willing to rebuild that wall again or whether I'm just going to leave it be. So that's one of those little decisions I have to make in the next month or so. But at least I got the basic stuff off of here. And yeah, I have lots more to do, but it's progress. And sometimes progress is as best as you can do. So, until next time, bye.